Look down. Okay. Period. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's makeup tutorial, I wanted to actually film me doing my brother girlfriend's makeup. She was actually getting ready to go to a comedy show, so I was like, you know what, I'll do your makeup, but let me film you for YouTube or whatever. So she was down for that. So as you guys can see, I'm just going right in with some concealer and cleaning up her brows. She literally had just got her eyebrows threaded and they were already slayed to perfection, but I just wanted to clean them up a little bit. And she also brought her e.l.f. brow powder set, so I'm just going to take that as well to clean up and fill in any sparse areas that she has. But really, there's really not much for me to do because her brows were already slayed to perfection. So next I'm going to go into my Holy Grail palette. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Subculture palette, and I'm going to take the color Fudge, which is that brown shade, and I'm going to put that into her crease and just blend that out. So next I'm going to go back into the Subculture palette and take Adorn, which is that gold gorgeous shade, and I actually put this on my finger because I feel like when you put it on your finger it's a lot more pigmented and you get a better payoff with your eyeshadows. So I'm going to put that all over her lid, her mobile lid area, and then take my blending brush and then go back into the Fudge dark brown shade and just blend, blend, blend. You ladies already know the drill, okay? Also guys, don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you guys will be notified as soon as any new videos are posted on my channel, okay? Feeling light as a feather. So after blending that out, I'm going to go back into the palette and take the color Electric, which is that lime green color, and then also take the white shimmery color called Cube, which it looks white inside of the palette, but when you put it on it's like an iridescent like pink. It's gorgeous. I can't even describe like how the pigment looks, but I'm going to put that into her inner corner. I'm also going to put that on her brow bone so that there's some highlight right there, so it's going to be popping. And when we find no one wants to stop, and as time goes by, I wonder, can we reverse the fall? There's another memory. I don't wanna in with the makeup remover wipe and just go ahead and clean around her eyes just to make sure that everything is nice and crisp and clean, okay? And then next I'm gonna go in with these poppin' eyelashes, okay? She actually got these from Walmart. They are the Kiss collection, and they are the Flirty brand. They are super cute and they look so natural, like they were lightweight. I actually really loved them, and it was super easy to put on. So yeah, I highly recommend these lashes. This was actually my first time using the Kiss lashes. I normally, for me, I prefer the Ardell Wispies, but I'm actually feeling the Kiss, so I might try them out for myself as well. Okay, so next I'm gonna go in with some mascara. This is the Maybelline Falsies Push-Up Mascara. First time using this was actually hers, and I might actually get some for myself as well because that mascara is really nice. Next I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the color 355, which is coconut, and I'm just going to take a blending brush, or a beauty blending brush, oh my goodness guys, and go ahead and work this on her face and just blend everything in. And then next I'm going to also take some concealer, the one that I use to clean up her brows, and go ahead and highlight and blend that in. Alright guys, so next I'm going to go in with literally my holy grail. This is the Airspun Extra Coverage Face Powder. I literally use this in like all of my videos because I swear by it. You have your greats like Patrick Starr who use it, and he swears by it as well. You can actually get this from your local CVS, from your Walgreens, even from Walmart, and I highly recommend having this in your kit, okay? So basically I'm going to set or bake her face, basically anywhere where I place her concealer. I'm just going to put that in, but before I brush it all off, I'm going to let it bake for just like 5 minutes, and while I'm doing that, I'm going to go in with her Sonia Kashuk eyebrow gel and just brush her hairs basically into place to make sure everything is nice and clean and crisp, because I'm super extra like that. Alright guys, so next I'm just going to go ahead and brush all of this off her face. This is now the time where I'm basically going to set her face with her face powder that matches her skin tone. And then I'm also going to contour and then highlight, so you guys will see that right now. Just because I'm super extra, I went in with the Juvia's Place, the Masquerade palette, and took a purplish pinkish shade and put that underneath her eyes. And then I also took her mascara and then, you know, put some mascara on her bottom lashes just to be extra, because her lashes are like super popping, like even without the false lashes on. Like, she has really nice lashes. So, you know, just wanted to accentuate that. Alright, so next I'm just going to go ahead and take a brown lip liner and just outline her lips, just to pretty much prepare for the lip gloss that I'm going to put on, which I literally at first didn't have no idea what I wanted to do with this look, but I also wanted to keep it a little bit fun and flirty. So I figured just a clear lip gloss would be popping. So I'm taking this e.l.f. lip gloss called Champagne Glam and just put this on her lips. I'm like, sis, where did you get all this popping makeup from? So I was extremely glad that she had already had a clear pinkish lip gloss inside of her kit. So that was pretty good. So this is pretty much the finished look, and she loved it. I was super excited. I had to take some pictures of her, but I'm super glad that she liked it. I hope you guys enjoyed as well. As I mentioned, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!